have some boxes to open. Let's see what's new at the library. Open the box. Okay, so what do we have then? We have a couple more copies of I Am Malala, and this is the Young Readers edition. It's a little easier to read. Let's open the next box. Okay, so let's open this one up and see what's inside. We have some more Nate the Great books and Owl Diaries. These are a little easier if you just want to catch up or if English is new. These are great. Or maybe you just want to reread them. Let's see, what else is in here? We have some Fancy Nancy's and Biscuit. Maybe you're teaching someone how to read. And we have Princess in Black, Science Fair Scare. I love Princess in Black. Okay, next box. We have Free as a Bird, The Story of Malala. It is a picture book. We Rise, We Resist, We Raise Our Voices. This was a fantastic book. I absolutely loved this one, and it has some great illustrations, as well as some short stories, poems, and songs. And we have 2 copies of that. Guys, box 4. It looks like we have some new manga. There's a lot of new manga and graphic novels coming. This one, a series we're adding, is My Love Story. And then we're adding Haikyuu. I'm not quite sure how to say that. And Kimi ni Todoke. And those are both that series. Okay, time for the last box. More manga. So we have some more of the Haikyuu series. And more of My Love Story. And Haikyuu, and Kimi ni Todoke. All right, so those will get processed. Come check them out as soon as they're ready.